Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have the boAt Rockerz 370. They are on-ear wireless headphones. So looking at the side, let's see what we've got. Dual modes, Bluetooth and aux. So these can be wired and wireless based on your requirement. Ergonomically and aesthetically designed, optimum Bluetooth experience version 5.0. Cozy padded ear cuffs, 40 dynamic drivers, up to 12 hours playtime, and immersive HD sound. That's about all you can tell from the box, so let's open it up. Inside the box, we have a micro USB cable, an auxiliary cable for when you don't want to use it as a wireless, a manufacturer's warranty, a boAt booklet with the Chennai Super Kings branding as their licensed audio partner, which has all the brand ambassadors and the boAt products. You also have a small user manual that gives you the basics of how to use the headphones. Let's have a look at the headphones themselves. Here they are. They have a nice matte finish on the side and top. They have extendable headrests, which increase the size exponentially. You have the left and right indicators on gold bands underneath the headrest. There's soft leatherette padding at the top of the headrests, which is nice to see. The headphones themselves also have soft leatherette padding. On the left earphone here, you have the controls. This is the increase volume, decrease volume, and the play and pause button. You have the charging port, the micro USB charging port, and the aux port in case you want to go wired or if you run out of battery. The headphones flatten out, making them a little convenient to store. And that's about it for the boAt Rockerz 370 on-ear wireless headphones. Thank you for watching.